I'm scared.
Hello.
What's up, y'all? What's poppin'? It's your girls. We're Ratchet.
Hey, welcome back to RATCHET. And of
What's
course,
up?
it's Erica with the CK, as I always say.
And I'm your girl, L.
And I'm your girl, Taylor.
And we're your host of RATCHET. So what we got in store for the people tonight?
Before we get started, even do our RATCHET.
Oh, I'm so sorry, you guys.
Come on, guys.
I have to get the night started with some cheer. I want to uplift all of our followers tonight. So we're going to get it going. And if you are a follower, you already know to participate. And it goes a little something like this. If you're ratcheting, you know it, clap your hands. If you're ratcheting, you know it, clap your hands. If you're ratcheting, you know it, then your click will surely show it. If you're ratcheting and you know it, clap your hands. Clap your ass. 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 We'll follow up with this before the end of the show. So,
Definitely.
you fuck with us, Kayla, let the people know what's popping.
Well, definitely follow us on YouTube. Please subscribe. It's ratchet_chest.podcast. You can also follow us on Instagram. Please tag your friends, tag everybody, and follow us. We need all the posts, all of our support. If we ain't got your support, we won't come back.
We need support.
You understand?
Yeah.
We go away. Y'all want to see our faces somewhere.
Fuck with
And
us.
then what y'all gonna do?
No, they gonna fuck with us at the wrong time is what they're gonna do. So fuck with us now. So she blow up on y'all legs.
And then what y'all gonna do?
Do.
Oh, that's it. Yeah.
I got some friend like that. Nah.
Don't
It's gonna be
fuck
too
with
late.
us. It will, like she said, it's gonna be too late. So if you fuck with us, this is your chance. Do it now, right now.
Okay.
All right.
But I do want to talk about one motherfucking thing. And
Let's talk
that's
about it.
Tristan. Y'all.
What about your friends?
Before we get into what I want to talk about, tonight's show's topic is going to be about friends. Hits.
Friends. What about your friends?
Okay, so
Speaking of,
tonight's topic, friends. Like I said, Tristan, like Jordan.
who are around Jordan or Tristan?
Both of them. FFUM. They both
around.
Yes, and then it's like Kylie. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we're not going to get into much into it because we have a topic. We have that topic
So
in
do
the
y'all
bowl.
feel like Kylie should feel betrayed by her partner, or should Chloe feel more betrayed?
Both.
Oh my god.
I mean, it is.
It's just
Kylie's
so
best
much.
friend. It's
It's so
messy.
much.
It's messy.
Jordan, why would you do
It's
it?
Jordan. You really stuck at his house.
Why would you do that, Jordan?
He's like big bro.
Jordan, you realize that was your meal ticket.
You're out of there.
You're done. Why would you do that?
And Kylie's
Why?
not gonna betray her family for you. I'm sorry.
First
Y'all
of
been
all,
best
bitch, you
friends.
live in Kylie's house.
Wow.
You should have got pregnant, though. That was your best bet.
What about Justin Smollett?
He is.
What do y'all really think about this story?
Y'all, I've
Honestly.
been on with him.
This on a couple of shows, and I brought it up, and we was defending him.
We was, but that's before all this stuff
And
came
did y'all
out.
see the video?
Why did you lie?
Did y'all see the video today of the two
I didn't see
Africans
it.
going to go in the store? So now they caught them on camera going into the store,
I see
buying
they
two
sent
hats,
pictures.
a mega hat, and a rope. They went and purchased these items, and really y'all told the police y'all was practicing this for a few days before y'all did it.
But you know why it sounds funny?
And you
Because
know
they're
what?
black. Why would they be doing racist shit
Y'all
like
wanna
they
know what's
black?
funny? They kept replaying that video when he was saying, they beat me. I'm like,
My thing
Jesse,
is,
why you lying?
why you say you the gay Tupac?
Jesse, why
Why did you do that?
Definitely not the
You're
gay
definitely not the
Tupac.
gay
It's
Tupac.
not.
Definitely
And you would
not.
not put Tupac and gay in the same category. I'm
Why
sorry.
would you even refer
That's
to yourself as
disrespectful.
Pod?
Why would you refer
You
to
don't
Tupac
even
as
rap.
gay?
You're sick.
You're on a show.
I'm just so disappointed.
You were gonna get y'all notice Taraji never addressed it?
Why would you
Everybody
lie?
who was sympathizing with him, but y'all notice Taraji never made a post? They say she knew he was full of shit.
Wow.
This, why would you
She
lie?
knew she did not.
She did not, and you know she loved him.
The story just sounds selfish. You went to Subway at 2 a.m.
And then,
Subway's only 24 hours.
Like people was
It's
saying,
the
it's
time.
cold as fuck. So how they know you're black?
So you
First
got
of all,
home-
you're light skinned, so you could pass for white if you got on headgear.
You're light as fuck.
You're covered. You got on gloves. You got on mask. How they know you were like?
He know he's canceled now for
Jesse,
good.
why would you lie like that?
I'm just saying.
That's fucked
Y'all, did
up.
y'all see my post about Jesse? I was so hurt for him.
I really like him too.
A lot of people.
I liked him on
A lot
Empire.
of
He
people
really
were
can
hurt.
sing. Like he was really getting
Now, I
there.
will admit, I did not watch Empire.
I
But
didn't fuck with it like that either. A few
I
episodes
yeah.
here and there.
he could
Cool. Right.
What's his
He
name?
was like,
You had a career. I don't get it.
not anymore. You're canceled. In everybody's eyes, you're done.
Let me tell you, everybody out who's trying to get fame, it's not worth it.
Stop that shit.
It's stop
man.
that shit. You doing extra shit to get fame.
Stop
It's not
that shit,
worth
cuz.
it. You look dumb.
You look
You look
dumb.
dumb.
You look dumb as fuck.
Now-
dumb.
Now you're about to go to jail.
Not dumb,
Right.
but
So now
dumb.
there's gonna be a Bow Wow challenge and a Jesse challenge.
You really got the FBI
Really
investigating.
ain't talking about he can face up to 3 years. For
You
fuck.
should.
You're
The man went out to Good Morning America.
Sit your mind.
You did a full interview. You were crying. You were a great actor. I believed you.
Really was on there.
Just like Empire, I
Jesse.
believe you.
You need your ass
Whoop.
And you know you gotta be somebody getting
Why
in
would
your
you lie? I just got like, why would you lie like
He
that?
thought he was about to be.
Now you know you need an ass whooping.
Yeah. You need your ass whooped.
Get that sentence, bro. Get that sentence, my nigga. I'm sorry. But if y'all don't know, we forgot to mention to all of our new followers that this is a podcast. Podcast. We smoke on this show, so light up, join us. And
Oh, and drink too.
we have some great topics in store to y'all. For y'all. So who's gonna do the honors?
So after past the social media bullshit,
But reiterate the subject for tonight.
it's about friends. So all of our topics are going to be about friends.
different things when it comes to your friends, your
Friends.
partners. And I hope you are watching this with your friends
Friends.
tonight. And if not, share this with your friends.
If you don't have no friends,
Get some friends.
well,
I mean,
share
Share
with
it.
somebody, baby. You know
you got
somebody.
friends on social
Your
media.
mama, your daddy, your uncle, your aunt.
Yeah,
They like you.
Like cuz, wow.
Yeah.
She don't know about that.
Your Facebook friends.
Yeah, everybody.
Instagram friends.
Yeah. People you've been following on Facebook for 10 years and you don't really know
No.
them, but you know
Yeah.
them. Share with them. Real nigga shit.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, we're going to get into our first topic for tonight.
Let's do it.
Ooh, I love how these just glitter.
Ooh, that's good.
Shout out to our followers.
Ooh,
Make sure you let thumbs up and subscribe too.
Subscribe, comment.
Okay, so this is kind of, I guess, based back on the Tristan Thompson. So now we can really go deep into it.
Okay.
Because it's about to get really real. I wish Tristan was here.
Yeah,
Get
yeah.
real.
And let me let y'all know before we get real in this hole. This is Ratchet Chat. So y'all have to understand this is Ratchet knowledge that we're speaking to y'all. We're speaking facts.
There's no filter here.
It is no filter, but these are facts. Okay?
Basically.
These are factuals.
So let's get this going. Okay, so if your best friend slept with your sister boyfriend, could you still be friends with her? And how would you handle the situation? So I based this question based on the shit that's going on because I've never experienced this shit. I don't even know what the fuck to do. Like, I feel bad for Kylie. Like, what do you do?
You've been friends with this
That's
girl
just
since you were
like
kids.
one of us
Yes!
fucking with your, I guess if you had a sister, like, you know, yeah, we bicker and fight, but like just like having to really consider cutting a bitch off, like
Wow.
really having to
Like to
consider
cut
that.
one of y'all off?
Like to
permanently?
really have to do that.
I don't know if I can do it, y'all. I mean, I know it would be a fucked up situation. I'm sorry.
It
But
would-
things do pass.
And then what if it's a situation to where you're not that close with your sister? Maybe you're closer to your best friend.
Yeah.
So you probably like shit.
And her and Jordan are
She
like,
should've-
it's crazy.
They,
So what would
she
you
got
do?
to switch cars.
Would you still be friends?
Yeah, I'm gonna still be friends.
But how would you handle the
I wish she
situation?
wouldn't be able to come around no more though.
I
You definitely can't come around.
over. And then I would have to sit down and have a conversation with my sister because Chloe and Kylie are close.
And then I'm gonna have to have a conversation. I'm gonna have a conversation.
It's gonna be a lot of conversations.
Why the fuck would you do that?
Why would you do that?
Like, I'm gonna want to know too. Like, why would you do
It's
that?
your homegirl, bitch.
Yeah.
I'm
Why
gonna be
would you
like,
do that?
bro, really?
Because
Out of all niggas?
I guess it would
All
make
these
me feel some
niggas.
type of way.
Yeah, because if one of y'all did that, let's say I had a sister and one of y'all slept with my sister, boyfriend, baby daddy, whatever, I don't know how I would feel. I would probably have to, like, you know, give us some time apart. Like, and then on top of that, you stay at my house too? What I'm supposed to do? Bitch, I have so many. Why would you do that? There's so much dick out here. Why would you choose that dick?
They was drinking in the club.
But you know what they say, what goes around comes around.
It sure does.
You know they say it's psychiatrist. But my thing is, Tristan, you've already embarrassed this girl enough.
He don't care.
He doesn't
She's
care.
not going to leave him. She's still not gonna leave him.
If she don't leave him, she don't.
No.
She's gonna leave him for the public eye and her sister's sake.
And
You
give
have
it to
She's
him.
gonna leave him for her sister's sake because she rich. She's already looked dumb after
And
she
they
didn't have
probably
to
been fucking.
Yeah,
Now,
the
who
thing about
knows how long they been
He's
fucking?
only 27. He's a
young.
basketball player.
He's young and
He's
Chloe.
worth millions.
Chloe.
Yeah, y'all had a baby. He had a baby with the other girl too.
And the baby wasn't even a year old.
Oh,
Why would you think
Chloe.
that you were special?
He's not ready for something like that.
First of all,
And you should have knew that initially for somebody to cheat on you while you're not 8 months
8
pregnant.
months.
me
Pregnant.
personally, and not to sound like a hater, but I feel like a part of him was hyped off of her name. Like, I got me a Kardashian.
Real nigga shit.
Of course.
You know, I
Bro.
don't really feel like he was just
In love with her.
like he just keep fucking up, and it's not no regular or a little fuck up.
It's
You know,
happened
hoe.
too back to
It's
back.
like he fucking bitches. Like
Your baby not even a year old with this hoe.
your baby was niggas just. I mean, not niggas, but some niggas just. You
Dog.
know.
The girl pregnant 8 months, you cheat on her. Your baby 10 months on you, still cheating on her. You're not ready.
You're not.
And then you cheat on her with Kylie's best friend.
And Jordan's what, 20 years old?
Yeah,
19?
20, 21.
She hot. She hot.
She's a pretty girl, but girl.
She's a little girl.
She's a little girl.
You're dumb. Business. That's all I'm thinking about, business.
Bitch, Kylie have said
Bitch,
she
I
wants
came
to not
up.
have to work, bitch.
You don't have to do anything.
You don't have to do
That's
nothing.
just like me being rich and y'all my best friends and I done put y'all on like she done put this hoe on. And you
You
go back
are-
and do that and I done put y'all on since
I
you
go
go.
fuck your sister husband.
Bitch, yeah.
And I done
Get
put you
your
on.
shit.
Why would you do that?
You gotta get out. I'm sorry. You can't
No,
stay here no
for
more.
real. Like-
You can't stay here.
And then
You
you
got your mama
can't
house.
trust these hoes either. You can't trust these niggas or these bitches.
That would be hard.
The betrayal. It's just fucked up on so many sides and I wouldn't stop being best friends because I mean, you know, it was, it seemed to have been a one-time thing, but
Yeah.
I could like stop being friends. But I agree with Kayla. I'm gonna have to give you a little space. I'm definitely gonna have questions.
Right.
It's gonna be conversations had,
For sure.
and then we'll go from there.
A lot of conversation.
Bitch, stop. Draw the line.
Agreed.
Get out of there.
I'm gonna have to take you off some endorsement deals.
Bitch, I want them cars back.
I want my car back. I bought your ass.
No, she probably put them in her name. They
Her
paid
too.
for it. No, they paid for
I
it.
give you a month to get out of my house.
So you still gonna be friends with your partner, but your baby daddy is canceled. I would hope that you would be done with.
Oh
your
no,
baby
he's
daddy
definitely
after that.
canceled.
You gonna be done with your BD?
He's
Bye,
canceled
nigga.
permanently.
Bye, nigga. He would have been canceled the last 1,800 motherfuckers.
And the fact that if I was Chloe, I don't need the money, but you on child support.
I wouldn't even put him
And
on
she
the
doesn't need the money,
Don't
not
need the
even
money.
a dollar of it.
If I used to be petty,
Fuck it.
It'll be on some petty shit.
Yeah.
you childish. And you need to grow the fuck up. Honestly.
Sick ladies, ratchets, my ratchets.
What would y'all do? You
What
said,
would you do?
are you gonna be friends with your friends still, or that bitch gotta go?
Ratchets, y'all let us know. And y'all been friends for 10 plus.
Right.
10 plus.
One of our fathers said both of them hoes canceled, baby daddy and Bessie.
Bye.
Ooh.
Bye, girl.
Bye, girl.
Everybody canceled.
Ooh, she said bye, bitch.
Ooh.
Bye.
What about ratchets? And that's why we like our ratchet followers, because our
What about
ratchets
your
are
friends?
ratchets. What shit.
But you're a reminder, I don't have my man because you were fucking him.
No, I'm a reminder I don't have my man because he didn't want me.
That too.
That part.
Let's talk about facts.
I want him to speak to somebody good. I'm sad. He don't want me no more. He don't want me.
Excuse me.
He don't want me. Jordan. Come on, Jordan.
I'm with my homegirl.
Okay.
Come on, babe. We good.
Sorry, he's made a point. He doesn't want you.
Actually, Jordan would be good. This man got $100 million contract. He good. She's good. She's good.
What is the Jordan text?
Right there.
Like, oh my God.
I'm gonna pull up.
Like a new father.
She young. They don't know. Why would you do that? It just make you start thinking all the times we was all around each other. Bitch, was you sizing my nigga?
Bitch, you still.
I
would want to fight her.
every time
I would want to fight her.
around
If I was fun, I'd probably fight her.
But we do
Bitch.
have another topic.
Them financial house they gonna squirrel with a bitch.
I think Kylie's
Especially
square
not a
though.
black bitch, cause Joy's still black at the end of the day.
Nah,
and
bitch,
them
she
hoes ain't never gonna
Armenian now.
squirrel with a bitch.
She Armenian.
Bitch, you ain't
Kylie, Kylie
bitch.
said she think Kylie was squirrel. Kylie ain't finna do it.
You think Kylie's squirrel?
No, not Kylie. I said Chloe.
I was just saying
Chloe might be the only one I
I feel like she
Kylie
squirrel.
got black in her. She got a little.
She
black in
definitely
her.
got some nigga in her. She'll definitely squirt up.
But
Alright.
horse.
But
Then
We're going to the next topic, y'all. So, I told you we was going to go in on Tristan.
look, you gonna do
Tired of
it?
him.
She
your
gonna do
favorite
the
alphabet letter. Okay. Ooh. This question says, is it cool to diss your friends for a guy or girl?
Okay.
Is that what that said? Why you didn't read the question right?
Okay.
Okay, not being
I
real
remember what you
quiet.
wrote last night. I want that. It's ratchet, Eric.
I'm sorry, Ratchets. We have to reread that question. Ratchets.
Is it cool to diss your friends for dick? That was the question.
So, Ratchets, our question is it cool to diss your partner for a piece of link?
Because it's different compared to a nigga than actually the link.
Ladies,
And
who's
just
gonna
to
do
update
it?
you on vocabulary with ratchets, link is AKA dick.
Dick
So we
link.
say link.
Penis.
So you may hear link here. That means penis.
We refer to dicks as links over here. I mean, that's just simple to
Get
say.
you some link.
But back to the question. Fourth,
We like links, so it is what it is.
Link,
So,
link, 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 link.
link.
would you dish your partner for some links? Who gonna start it out?
And these hoes better say yes because these hoes both have
Hey, we can talk for
dick.
ourselves. We can talk
I just want to make sure before the motherfucking hoes answer. Alright.
Bitch, and you too.
Is it cool?
Never.
Is
Girl,
it
hold up. Hold, pause for a moment. What you say?
The question was,
Never.
is it cool to diss your friends
For some,
for a guy or a gal?
for some link.
For some dick? For some dick.
I'm sorry. I have.
Is it cool?
Yes. Depending on what the situation is. If it ain't something that we already don't have planned, then no. But if it's just something, I mean, if we got something planned, then no. If we don't, then the link came first.
It's not cool, but does it happen? Yes. Especially if you working with inches.
Now, I can't respect it if you gonna diss me for a little dick.
Nah.
Now, you say,
have you sweating.
now you say, bro, I ain't even trying to do this to you, cuz, but I got a big wave on me. I got a burn. I got a deal.
And you can't do nothing but respect
You know what
that.
I'm saying? Aight, bro. How did you be? But shit, if I know you trying to play me over a nigga who I know ain't got nothing,
Who you done talk me about? Who the fuck you done complain
bitch, I'm
about?
a big trying to look that on me over.
Larry.
My leg dick.
I mean, we supposed to be chilling tonight, my nigga.
never have. It never will.
What if your friend was in a fucked up situation that night and she needed to really talk to you? She needed you to comfort her. She needed her friend to have the lending ear.
What you gonna do?
But you got a pipe waiting on you. What are you gonna do? Ratchet, talk to me. How are you gonna be that friend?
Okay, what's going on again? Hold on.
But what's the actual situation?
Like,
though?
did somebody die?
Yeah, because if somebody died, that's different.
That was God.
But okay.
Bro, she told you.
What level is it on?
It don't even matter. It doesn't matter. After you
Did
tell
you
me
get-
nobody's dead, bitch, we're gonna talk about that shit tomorrow. I gotta go.
You know what I'm gonna do?
I gotta go.
I'm gonna call her
Yeah.
for like 10 to 15 minutes. You know,
Yeah.
talk to her like, girl, it's okay. I'm gonna come by. This is why I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna come by tomorrow. We gonna hang out. We're gonna do a little girls' day.
Nah, bro, I really need you to come through and smoke the blood. I
Bro.
just had the worst day, bro.
I know.
Bro,
I
please
know.
come
But
through.
I already done got my clothes off.
Bro, please come through.
I literally already got my clothes off. And I promise, tomorrow, me and you.
Oh, my nigga, I need you to come through.
Bro, it's cold outside. I got you, bro. Smoke you over like a sleep. Bitch, I'm gonna come by and bring you some liquor. We're gonna turn up. We're gonna smoke it high.
Yeah.
We good.
Don't swallow the nut, hoe.
Bye. And I'm not fucking with you. Poor. Don't call me tomorrow, bitch.
Bitch, you ready to go out?
Because
Oh, my God. God, that bitch ass.
You ready to go out?
no, I'm not ready.
Unless you get to that nigga house and send me pictures of what you left me for.
It's a wrap.
Please to know if I left you was worth it. It's
My
definitely
friendship
worth
is
it.
with me.
With me, I'm gonna hit you with that do not disturb. Go ahead and set the settings up.
We're not your friends.
I can't look. I'm not saying
When
that
that
it's right.
dick around.
Let you down again.
It's been a while. It's fucked around.
Baby, jumping out
Again.
What was I
did?
What about that link?
I'm trying to leave.
She like it. I'm trying to link.
Hey!
Okay,
What was that link? I'm trying to link.
Ratchet.
I like that.
Oh, I can start using it.
So
Well,
Ratchet-
if you tell your Rachel Lane's out there, so tell your nigga you trying to link with that link. Let him
So
know.
you want to
Ladies,
link?
you looking for a punchline? I'm trying to link
Link
with
that link.
Fuck out it. What you
Yeah.
doing? What's your
Nah, I'm trying to link with that link.
Flip the board, ladies.
It's time to be straightforward.
Ladies, I want to go any of my ratchets in a drought. Because your girl is going through some things. ratchets. And
It's looking bad.
it's sad that there's seeds out there that need to be planted. But there's no growth. Ratchets, if you know what I mean, there's no
Preach,
growth.
Mm.
And ladies, when I mean growth, I mean there's no girth, there's no inches. There's not a plant.
Ooh.
Ratchets.
What do you do when you're in a drought? Bitch, that
And
was
all
the
the only
question.
links that are
All we
available
can
are
do-
small links.
If you got a big link and you watching this, hit my nigga up.
Ooh.
L Boogie.
No!
Oh.
As long as you have a link.
Oh.
She trying to link.
If you got the
Link.
We can link. If you got the link.
Yeah.
So link with me. Link.
Link.
So,
What's the smallest with you? I mean, you know.
okay,
What's
so
the
ladies,
longest?
what are you willing to work with and what are you not willing to work with?
Okay, this right
Nine.
here. If I can double, if
I am not. Damn.
if
That's
my
a nine.
thumb right here is covering my nail and my thumb I moved it up a little bit.
I didn't see you do anything.
Okay.
What about this, ladies?
Ooh.
Can't close your finger around it.
That's actually ripped.
What about when your fingers don't touch?
That's actually ripped.
Does it come with
Vagina's
that?
ripped.
What if it has veins and your fingers don't touch? So ratchets. Are we
Well, I
talking?
love my fingers
So
don't
ratchets, length or width?
Both of them.
But if I
You
had
gotta have
the
some
Option
width.
source.
I would prefer
option
width.
with,
We're going with width.
but I like
Okay,
length.
But please, like,
I do like length though.
this is
I
this too
love
short?
length.
This is definitely too short.
That's
What
definitely
is
too short.
This is chicken nugget, guys.
That is definitely too short. Are they on hard? That's hard, right?
Okay, what about here?
No.
Y'all ain't fucking with this?
No.
I have a question,
We're not fucking
ratchets.
with this.
My ratchets. I have a question. How long? Okay, let's just say it's your first encounter with a guy, and it's your first time being sexual with each other. How long before you get turned off does the dick get hard? How long? So y'all get in emotions, right? You're going through the motions, ratchets.
Oh, but he
And you
can't.
notice it's taking a minute for his dick to get hard. Ladies, how long before you get irritated and turned off? Before his dick gets hard that you like, you know what, fuck it. Are you gonna give it 3 minutes to get hard? 5 minutes, 10 minutes?
So we are.
Where
How
are you
long have we
going
been
in
doing
point,
the
ladies?
emotions? How long have we been doing foreplay?
I would say about 10 minutes I'm gonna give you, because maybe you kiss on my teeth, maybe you give me a little head. Okay,
That's
by
what I'm
that
saying. If
time,
we're doing foreplay, okay, cool. But after the foreplay,
After
I expect you to be
foreplay.
ready. No minutes.
It's just not
No
enough.
minutes.
That's what I'm saying. When do you get irritated and be like, fuck it, because you done foreplay? You got going into action. You going through the motions. Foreplay. I'm sorry, I meant the motions was foreplay.
I get
Okay.
irritated.
And it's time to get down to it. This link is still not hard. How long are you willing to wait?
I'm really gonna give you about a minute.
Ooh.
I'm with
Because we already been doing all that. God, you done got me hot now. Like at this point, by the time you got prepared to put an insert and it's still not there, like I'm already hot. I'm already ready to get it going. So if you're not there,
So after about a minute of foreplay, if it's not up, you're
well,
done.
no. Foreplay can last however long, but after foreplay, I expect you to be ready to go.
And if he's not, how
After
long?
foreplay, you have no minutes.
So immediately, if it's not hard, you're done.
I mean, I'm gonna give you like a minute. Maybe you get 1 minute. I mean,
You get a minute.
You get no minutes.
How long are you gonna jack and play and do all that shit to
Yeah,
jack
I
you up?
love it a little bit.
Yeah, I jack you.
I thought she was ready.
Okay, jack
You
boy.
can kiss a little more.
Jack boy.
I kiss you a little more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. That's what I'm saying. After all that.
I'm gonna start getting irritated.
I'm gonna ask you niggas, what's going on?
I know when a nigga really trying to get his dick hard.
Don't you hate when they just sit there and
They try to give you head, get up, and then they can't do this, can't get it in. Then they go back and give you head. Try again. Look,
Can you
At
stop
this
eating
point,
that pussy now?
again,
I forgot you was doing it.
So
'cause
after
I'm
1 minute,
irritated.
you're done. After
I
how long
would-
are you done?
60 seconds, 30 seconds. Come
I'm
on.
gonna give you 3 minutes.
Yeah, I'll give you
I'm
back.
gonna be fair because after
And I'm
foreplay,
playing.
5 minutes. That's a
after
minute.
foreplay, okay.
I'm
I know you're not hard. I'm gonna jack you a little bit.
Right.
I'm gonna kiss on you a little bit. Okay, after about 3 minutes of doing that, if I notice there's a change of the penis lifting,
I'm gonna get up.
What are you doing?
Put my
Like,
pants
that
up
your dick
and
can't
go
get hard.
sleep.
the penis should be gradually lifting as I'm doing
Don't you
Why
this
you
act.
out there like, what kind of drugs are you on?
Don't you hate when the guy be like, I don't know what's wrong.
You know what's wrong. This is not the first
This
time
is
this has happened.
Let
definitely
me tell you
not
what's
the first
wrong.
time.
We're not fucking. That's exactly
What's wrong is me being here.
Here.
It's
What's
a lot
wrong?
of
I'm still
things
here.
that's wrong, nigga. Your dick is wrong. You wrong because you knew your dick was gonna be
Why
wrong.
didn't play dumb, y'all?
What's wrong is I drove over
I
here
don't
for
know
this.
what's going on tonight. My shit trippy.
But you know what, brother?
Don't you hate when they say my shit
Ooh.
trippy?
Don't you hate when you drive over for the dick? Like you done got yourself ready.
And
you
y'all
took
been
your shower, you
talking,
fresh
and y'all
up.
been, you know, saying little
But
like
you already
in advance.
Just if y'all want them dry pussy hoes to let
Be
y'all know.
real. You know what? Bro, my dick have a hard time getting up.
And let me know.
So you might have to do
I'm
a
not
little
gonna
more
show
work.
up.
I'm not gonna show up
But
right
I'm
away.
Nigga don't tell you that.
But I'm gonna get up there. I'm gonna get up there. And when I do, I'm gonna bust it down. But I'm gonna let you know now. It's gonna take a minute for a nigga to get up there. Are you willing to work with your nigga after he let you know that?
I'm done. I'm done.
That's what I'm be doing while he talking. Acting like I got
Yeah,
allergies.
what if he's sassy though?
Okay.
He said,
I'm gonna act like I got allergies.
yeah.
I'm done.
Hey, I swear to God, I'm gonna beat your ass.
I'm done.
Oh, I'm gonna text one of y'all. I'm like, just call me.
Right now.
Bitch, call me right now, please.
Now he's still telling me, look, when I get up there, I got you on blood. I got you.
It's cool, baby.
That's cool. You know, it's okay, baby. It's alright. Maybe next time.
It's cool, baby. I mean,
Then you see that nigga out. Babe, I'm trying to hit you up. For real?
you have? What number you got?
My phone be
He
acting
gonna see you out and be
crazy.
like, hey.
My nigga, if you say one more thing about getting up.
He gonna
I'll get up.
see you at the club, be like, hey, I swear. It takes me a minute
You
though.
want me to have it?
But I swear, I'm gonna beat that shit up when I
No,
get
you're
up
not.
there.
You're lying.
You're not gonna
So
do
ladies,
anything.
another question. What if you notice that it's kind of big on soft and you just know once it gets hard it's gonna be huge, but it's still on soft?
I'm about to go. Honestly, at this point, I'm 30 years old. I don't have time to waste my time, my vagina's time. I don't have time for it. I don't got time for all
squishy
that.
dicks.
I just that
Squishy
I don't want that.
I play with putty with my daughter. We got silly putty, make slime. I don't make some
I don't
slime.
know slimy dick.
That's disgusting. Hey, look.
Oh my god, I have experienced that in life.
All of my ratchets with the slimy links.
That's disgusting. Ugh. Anyway,
Shout out, man. Hey, look, bro. I'm here for you, fam.
I'm not.
These are matches.
Oh, I'm talking about the squishy dicks.
What is our matches?
no, they can still support.
I'm not here
though.
for you, squishy dicks.
No,
Let's support the show. Watch it. Subscribe on YouTube.
no. I squishy dick ratchets.
Squishy dick ratchets.
Squishy dick ratchets.
I'm not gonna say fuck you.
My squishy dick ratchets.
I'm not here for it,
fam.
This is what I'm gonna say.
I'm here for a big dick ratchet.
For squishy dick ratchets.
Not
Why not invest in some type of medication to assist with you? Like, don't do that to a person. That's like, come on now, don't do that.
That's fucked up.
That's just like somebody sell you something on Craigslist and you show up and it's not what it is. Like, you know you got squishy dick.
My
Don't do
squishy dick ratchets.
Go buy
I'm
you
here
some
for you, fam.
medication.
And my
I'm
big
not
dick
here.
ratchets. L_boogie.
Ew, looking for somebody out there.
Link if you
This
got
long,
link. Link
this
if you
wide.
got link.
If you can't spell link,
She trying to link. She trying to link with your link. Only if it's a big link.
Catch me on LinkedIn.
Really? Look at your LinkedIn.
Now you can catch me on LinkedIn for real.
Actually, don't.
We have one more question.
We have one more question. This is our last question for the night. I'm sorry, y'all. We done really got off topic. But we're back to friends.
Links are friends.
Links are friends.
So actually,
Links
this is
are
the
great
first time I'll
friends.
let her read it.
Y'all, this is a fucked up question, but it's a real actual question. How would you feel if a mutual best friend, keyword mutual, best friend, told the other best friend more personal things than the other friend, and you found out about it? How would you feel? Would you feel some type of way towards your mutual best friend?
Sorry. I I know y'all high and confused as a motherfucker. So basically, what she's saying is, so we're gonna use us as an example.
Oh my god.
We're gonna
And we might go after Ratchet squad if the camera start fucking up. And you hear
Let's
the
example.
Let's say that Elle told Kinsley more things than she told me. She's asking how would that make you feel, which would be me in this situation. We're all best friends, but she told her more personal stuff than she told me, and I found out some of the personal stuff through her.
Would she
How
have
would
a
you
right
feel
to
about
feel fucked up, ladies? Alright, Kinsley, start us off.
Why? What my question?
Well, I'll start us off. So, with that being said, if I have a mutual best friend, just because I feel like keyword mutual, that we're all friends on the same level, that if there's a point to where you feel like there has to be a reason why you can't tell the other best friend certain things. Now, by this question, I'm also following with this question. Do you feel comfortable telling one best friend certain things versus feeling more comfortable telling the other best friend certain things? Did you think that plays a big part in what you tell one best friend versus the other best friend?
Okay, I'll say this. This is my opinion on telling friends certain things. I feel like here.
Oh, read the comments right there.
Oh, sorry.
So I feel like that it's cool if you do sometimes. I mean, I guess on certain extents. I feel like it's cool if you do, because you may feel like you will get a certain reaction from one friend than another friend.
Right.
Not meaning that you don't love them differently, but you know, you may feel like her reaction may be different from this reaction. That's my opinion on it. But the other person still could get offended, which I can understand, because they may feel like, but I guess then that's when that conversation of how you make me feel, how I make you feel comes up. Okay, so look, y'all. Like the mood is dry and different. That's because we're talking about us. So
Honestly, my opinion on this question, I think to touch on kind of what Erica's saying, sometimes you get different advice from different friends.
Right.
So me personally, sometimes I pick certain topics that I want to tell each friend. It just depends on who I know I can get this type of advice from. So it's not like I don't trust you what I'm telling you, or eventually I'm going to tell you. I may not tell you at the same time I told the other person, but it doesn't make you like I don't love you, or that I'm not going to share the information to you. Like eventually I'm going to tell you, but maybe I needed advice from this particular person at this time. So that's just something I do. But you know, I'm pretty sure everybody does it. And I don't expect my best friend to tell me everything. It doesn't change our friendship. It doesn't mean we're not best friends. Like, it doesn't mean you don't love me because you didn't tell me something that you told the other friend. And that's okay though. And that's why especially when in a big group of friends like we are, it's a lot of us, you have your choices who you want to share different information with. I don't feel like that's wrong. And if it happens, it happens to me. All my friends don't tell me everything, but that's okay though. When they do come talk to me, I appreciate those conversations.
Right. So, I guess it's okay as long as I know eventually.
Right.
I don't really care when I find out, but just just let me know. And not too much longer after you told.
Oh, I agree. I feel like it's just accountability. Certain things you just feel more comfortable telling certain friends. That doesn't mean you love them any less, anymore. I guess it's just, like I said, what type of response you feel like you need and who's going to give it to you.
Because your friends are different.
Everybody does respond differently. So I get it. And that's all love at the end of the day. So if you do have a friend, some of our ratchets may be in the same situation.
Right.
I'm sure our ratchets have groups of friends and things like that. So ratchets, are you in that situation with any of your friends? One friend feels you know, maybe like you feel a little bit closer to the other friend because you tell them more stuff than you tell the other. You don't love them any less. You just like talking to the other friend better.
Ooh,
I
I
think
think it's better.
Don't like that.
Ratchet.
It's not that it's better. It's just all the same thing. It's all love. Like
Everything is love.
everything is love.
Everything is love.
Sick.
Everything is love.
Yup.
Well,
So Ratchets, what's up? What
and
about your
Ratchet,
friends?
they were saying basically agreeing exactly what we're saying.
Yeah, so
What is all your Ratchets saying?
Yeah.
We had a lot of
One
comments
saying-
from our followers tonight.
Right, all friends are, everybody's all friends, so it is what it is. And everybody's reaction is different from depending on what person you go to. Everybody's opinion is different.
Yeah, that's true.
So it's kind of like basically what we're all saying right now. So now Ratchets are agreeing with us. So yeah.
Our Ratchets agree. Like I said, our Ratchets, that's the point of this show. People are going through, or want to talk about the same shit that we talking about. It's just motherfuckers ain't bold enough to talk about the shit that we like to talk about.
And
Like Link.
Link.
Oh my god.
Y'all
We're
know.
going back to Link.
I like talking about Link, actually.
Oh my god.
I think Link is like amazing.
We all think Lincoln's amazing. When you get amazing Link. Not all of it is. But this ends us
So back to Link.
No more Link.
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 We're gonna Oh my god.
Link was his name.
I met him.
Okay, y'all, we gonna end That's the new ratchet word for today is Link.
We're gonna, so from this day forward, we're gonna have nothing but ratchet nursery rhymes.
Thank you.
Speaking of, ladies, I think it's time for something. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet and you know it, then your click will surely show it. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. Clap your ass. Clap your ass. Clap your ass. Clap your ass. Clap, clap, clap your ass. Hey, thank y'all for tuning in to another episode of Ratchet Chats with your favorite host, Kayla. Where can they catch us?
They can catch us on Instagram, which is ratchet_chats.
For tonight, though, because this shit is 24 hours.
And don't forget, if you did miss it tonight, you can definitely catch it tomorrow.
Boys, by the way, my bad. Go ahead.
Yes.
Catch us on YouTube. Please subscribe. We are supporters. We may even do something a little bit special next week. Maybe something like Black History. I don't know.
Episode 10 or 9?
I think it's 12.
12.
Okay, we'll get down there. Oh, and we have something so excited to share with our followers in a couple of days.
Yes.
So be ready. We are so excited to present something new for Ratchet Chat. So if you've been fucking with us from day one, you're going to be so proud of us and so excited. So tune in next Wednesday because it's definitely going down for another episode of Ratchet Chats. Alright, y'all. So with that being said, whores, what do we want to go out to tonight for our Ratchet?
Our ratchet song. And if you don't know, we play a ratchet song at the end of the night. Of course, it's something ratchet. So if y'all want to hear a song, y'all can also DM us questions you want us to ask for next week's topics or either a song for us to play.
So what y'all want to hear?
It don't even matter.
Oh, really?
There's some food.
Is that what this is?
I hate.
Wait a minute.
What? Okay, y'all. We don't know what we gonna go out to.
We had it earlier, but we forgot.
We did have a good song to go out to.
But I did want to hear that sex me.
Play Cardi B.
Oh, ask my Ratchets. What do they think about the new song?
I love that new song. Baby, Bruno hit it.
So Ratchets, if y'all fuck with us, y'all know we love us some Cardi B. So we just want to know what y'all feel about the new song. And next week we might have another After Dark special for all Ratchet followers. You know, we we get real stupid and ratchet after hours. So
You can catch that on our personal pages too.
personal pages. What's yours, Caleb?
It's Kinsley X Monet.
And I am L_Boogie25.
And I am Kate N, letter N, not I-N. Kate N _chops, plural.
Perfect.
Cakes and chops.
Awesome. We love y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in for another episode of Ratchet Chat. See y'all next week.